Hey, Dr. Steve Shoshani, your New York City chiropractor, here with how many months pregnant?
I'm 19 weeks. So.
Awesome. Okay, so tell us what's going on. What are you experiencing?
Mostly round ligament pain. So not a lot in the lower back, but a lot in the glutes and the hamstrings.
Okay, so pregnant women do amazing. Getting chiropractic care, as you know, it's going to keep you in balance and alignment. So let's do this. We'll start out face down. Let's see if we can get this table to work. Here we go. So those little cutouts for the belly.
Perfect.
All right, so face down. I'm going to take a look at you top to bottom. Dr. Webster, that's the name. Just popped back in my head. So Dr. Webster was a chiropractor that since passed away, but he specializes in a breech turning technique. So that's something I've been certified with for years. So that left SI is definitely an issue. So pregnant women move a lot easier because they have a hormone in their body called relaxin, and that hormone allows the ligaments to stretch a lot easier because you know why.
It's also the hormone that makes your feet bigger, right?
Exactly.
That's great.
And ankle swelling, all that fun stuff.
All the fun things they don't tell you when you're pregnant.
It's exciting. Okay, so left glute for sure, and upper dorsal. So your neck's definitely been bugging you?
Right here.
C2.
Migraines, yeah, everything.
Okay, so we're gonna get first, I'm gonna first do that lumbar. So lay on their side, this is the easiest one.
Which,
Facing me. Okay. So we're probably not gonna have to push too hard, and we'll just move on its own. So it's exciting time.
No.
And this, don't help me. Let's see if I can get that without too much difficulty. Down. Good. On your back flat. Okay, that was left. So usually what happens is left SI, opposite side round ligament. And it's bugging you more on this side or more on this side?
Equally, but I would say, yeah, equally all around.
So the way we get to the round ligament is you go from here and from here. It's usually kind of right in there. So the Webster technique involves an adjustment on one side and then addressing the round ligament. And what you'll usually feel is the baby move.
Yep. Yeah, he's been kicking for a while now.
It's exciting.
Yeah, strong.
Okay, come on. And I definitely know your cervical needs to move big time. So pick your head up and put it down. All right, so I'm gonna get this one. This will be nice. C2 on the left, right. It's gonna be right there. Drop this.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. That was good. Take lower and lower. That was awesome. Okay, good. And with you, I want to get your mid dorsal. So sit up straight. I'm gonna help you.
That's good. I'm setting up. This been a little bit of a struggle.
Now we're gonna go right into the mid dorsal spine. Wait, not yet. Cross down. Breathe. I want your air all the way up, down, get back. Gotcha. You okay with that? Okay, good. Now stand up. Let me help you. Stand up and tell me what's different.
Everything feels looser. I still have the pain right here.
Okay.
It's more of like it's right under the
Skull. Occipital. Okay, lay on your back. Let's take a look at your occiput. I missed that one. Animal.
This is the same pain though that's been going on for a while. I'm not sure if it's the way I sleep or.
So let's take a look. So you're feeling right in here?
It's right there.
So occipital. Rotate this way. Rotate. A little difficult. Drop his head down. Wheel those toes for me. Rest your head. Got it. That's the rest of it. All right, good. A little locked up in there, huh?
It's like a muscle spasm.
How long you were in town for?
What, last 2 days? Since Friday?
Heading back?
Today.
Okay.
Yeah.
This probably needs another adjustment, like midweek. Good.
Yeah, right where your fingers
Yeah. So this is the occiput. The occiput is where all the muscles of the trap insert. So you probably have some trigger points right in there.
Yeah. My traps is where I hold like all of my stress and tension.
Absolutely.
So that makes a lot of sense.
So it's on the left-hand side. think we have one more thing to adjust on you. Let's go face down again. I know exactly what we need to do.
Oh, yeah, you definitely.
I got it.
Right there.
So exciting. Let me just fix the bed for you. The table, not the bed.
That's handy.
Oh, yeah.
My chiropractor at home has just been adjusting me like the way you did, like laying down and then just on my back.
We have women coming in like right up until 9 months.
Oh, I'm sure.
Just slide up a little bit so your head is in that. Can you reach there?
There?
Yep. All right, so I'm just going to get that upper dorsal on you.
I think I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to go on my feet.
Just for a sec.
Yep.
Okay, because your upper dorsal on the left is all kind of left right there. One more time. Stay right there. I'm going to come on this side. A little stiff in there, huh? Breathe and the chair all the way out. Got it. Okay. Cool.
Oh, thank you.
You are tough.
Yes,
You good with that? Okay,
yeah.
cool. Good, good. You're happy?
I feel much looser. Earlier this morning, I couldn't go like this, so.
Good.